Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree, the Fun with Tree Junior Pro. My name is Kwasi, and for today's lesson we have 4 translations from 4 different people, and I can't wait for the 4th one because I've been waiting for like 2 days for this. And the first person that wanted me to translate something for them was Afare. Afare, thanks again for your continued support. So the first thing that Afare wanted to know was, the coffee tastes bitter, and that in Tree can be said as Kɔfe nwono. Again, Kɔfe nwono. And the second thing that Afare wanted to know was, I use the coal pot to cook food. And that in Tree can be said as, Merebɔ koropɔɔto aduane. Again, Merebɔ koropɔɔto aduane. And the third thing that Afare wanted to know was, how many tomatoes do we need? And that in Tree can be said in 2 ways. And the first way one can say it is, Ntoosi dodoɔ Yɛhia. Again, Ntoosi dodoɔ Yɛhia. And the second way of saying it is, Yɛhia Ntoosi dodoɔ. Again, Yɛhia Ntoosi dodoɔ. And the last thing that Afare wanted to know was, I have put the charcoal in the coal pot. And that in Tree can be said as, Mede bidie no aguu koropɔɔto no mu. Again, Mede bidie no aguu koropɔɔto no mu. But one can also say charcoal in another way. So instead of bidie, you can say gyabidie. So you can also say the sentence as, Mede gyabidie no aguu koropɔɔto no mu. Again, Mede gyabidie no aguu koropɔɔto no mu. Thanks again, Afare, for your continued support. It's really appreciated. And the next person that wanted something translated was Ju. Ju, thanks again for your continued support. And this is what Ju wanted to know. It poured on the floor. And that in Tree can be said as, Ɛguu form. Again, Ɛguu form. And the third person that needed something translated was Mark. Mark, thanks again for your continued support. It's really appreciated. So from here on out, I have Mark, my Ghanaian friend here in SA, on a call, and he'll be assisting with the translations, right? So Mark, hi, are you there?
Hello, everyone.
It's great to hear your voice, and thanks for actually making the time to help us out, right? So this is what Mark wanted to find out, right? Friends, this is my favorite part. We get to hear what treasures you found. So how can we say that in Tree, Mark?
So in Tree, friends is Namfonom. Namfonom is friends. So you will say Namfonom. Ɛha na mepɛ paa. Yɛnya tie agudie a woahu. Or you can also say Namfonom. Ɛha na mepɛ paa. Yɛnya tie agudie a woanya. What I'm trying to say is that in Tree, when you say ɛha na mepɛ paa, it means that this is the part that you like most, of which it also means favorite. Because if you say Mepɛ, meaning you like. So in this case, you will say Namfonom, ɛha na mepɛ paa. Yɛnya tie agudie a woahu. Or Namfonom, ɛha na mepɛ paa. Yɛnya tie agudie a woanya. Because if you say woanya, meaning you have gotten or you have been able to find. Because if you've gotten something one way or the other, it means you have found something. So you can put it that way.
Wow, thanks again, Mark. I hope Mark, the one that sent the comment, fully understood what Mark, my friend, was trying to say. That actually made more sense to me, right? So again, thanks again, Mark. So before we actually jump into the 4th person, right? A few weeks ago, Nati and I actually did a lesson on celebrities trying to speak Tree and sitcoms and movies that actually had Tree in it. So there was a point that we asked you guys to actually give us the name of one of the sitcoms that had Tree in it. So the plan was the first person that actually got it right, we would actually ask them to send us a clip of them asking us whatever they wanted, right? Well, I hope you guys remember that, right? But if you don't, let's watch the clip. Then we have the third one, right? The thing is, we wanted to make this one interesting. So we just want you guys to find the name of the sitcom, right? So it's this Ghanaian guy who went to a family who was introduced by this other dude saying that that's his friend who's an athlete. Then this little girl came and actually said a few Tree words and the guy responded. So what we want you guys to do is, if you can tell us the sitcom that this clip is from, what we'll do is, if you can actually tell us on the comment section, then if you get it right, what we'll do is, in our next segment or next lesson, if you can send us a clip of yourself asking anything, then we'll actually respond. So basically be featured in our next video or next lesson. So let's watch the next one.
Hi, Brenda. And everybody, this is one of my athletes, Willie Amachi. He's an Olympic runner from Ghana.
Oh, nice to meet you, Willie. Well, hi, Willie. Listen, everybody, why don't you make yourselves at home? I made some coffee and cookies.
Aquaba. Yɛhia, nyame show. Na nyame ma nkwantintin.
Oh, well, what's that all about?
I said welcome in his native language, Fonty.
I won't lie to you, right? This is still by far my best lesson in all the series, right? And I seriously love that kid. The fact that she actually memorized those words and actually said it right? That's awesome. Well, so the answer was 227. Well, some people call it apartment 227. So the person that actually got it right was Akosia. So what I did is I reached out to her, asked her if she wanted me to actually translate anything that she wanted. So what she did was she actually sent a video back of the things that she wanted to know. So again, Akosia, congratulations and thank you for actually sending your video through. So Mark, if you don't mind, right, can we go through Akosia's video and see what she wanted and translating that as well?
Greetings, brother. Greetings, Minia Bema.
Hello.
Brother and Pofo. Medinde Akosia. Ana Sauda. Thank you for allowing me to make a video. I think I'm saying it right. Mewa Juma Sisi. I'm at work right now, so pardon the background. This is my tree book. That I actually designed for myself to just connect to my writings and my lessons. I have a couple of questions that I would like translated, if it's okay. The first question is, I think today is Kwasiada. I think it's Ɛnnɛ Kwasiada. I'm not sure. The next translation I would like is, let's honor and give respect or reverence to our ancestors. The third one is, let us pour libation. The fourth one is, I want to kiss you right now. The next one is, I am learning tree. The next one is, it isn't easy at all. And the last one is, I am really trying, which I think is Merebɔ Mohomoden Pa, but I'm not sure. So, Bio, today is Kwasiada. 1. 2 is, let's honor and give respect to our ancestors. 3, let us pour libation. 4, I want to kiss you right now. 5, I am learning tree. 6, it isn't easy at all. And 7, I am really trying. Medasi P, blessings to you.
Brother Mark, I hope you heard that. Before we get into it, Akosia, thanks again, right? Thanks for responding. Thanks for getting it right. Thanks for sending your video, and I'm more than honored to actually respond and translate all those 7 things, right? Mark, did you get all of that?
Yes, I got it.
Awesome. So let's start with the translation, right? So let's start with the first one.
Number 1. Today is Sunday. Ɛnnɛ yɛ Kwasiada. Ɛnnɛ yɛ Kwasiada. The second question. Let us give honor and respect to our ancestors. Yɛnfa anidie ni obuo ma yɛn nananom nsamanfoɔ. Yɛnfa anidie ni obuo ma yɛn nananom nsamanfoɔ. When we say nananom nsamanfoɔ, we are talking about the ancestors. Literally, when you say nsamanfoɔ, we are talking about ghosts. So when you say nananom nsamanfoɔ, we are actually referring to our great grandfathers or mothers or our great parents or our great relatives that have passed. So you will say Yɛnfa anidie ne obuo mma yɛn nananom nsamanfoɔ. Number 3, let's pour libation. In Twi, you will say Yɛngu nsa. Nsa in Twi is alcohol. Of course, we use alcohol to pour libation. So you will say Yɛngu nsa, which means let's pour libation. In the same way, we can also put it this way, Yɛnyi apaeɛ. So when you hear someone saying Yɛnyi apaeɛ, it also means that let us pour libation. Literally, Yɛnyi apaeɛ is more like praying to the gods or praying. So if you are pouring libation, it is a sign of a prayer to a deity. That's why we say Yɛnyi apaeɛ. Number 4, I want to kiss you right now. Mepɛ sɛ mefe w'ano seesei ara. Mepɛ sɛ mefe w'ano seesei ara. Number 5, I am learning Twi. Meresua Twi. But mostly we stretch the merɛ and we say Meresua Twi. Means I am learning Twi. It is not wrong when you say Meresua Twi, but mostly we stretch it and say Meresua Twi. Number 6, he said, is it easy at all? When you say is it easy at all, it's more like trying to put it this way, that is it that easy? So you will say ɛyɛ merɛ saa. Ɛyɛ merɛ saa. This is also like the previous one. Mostly the ɛyɛ, you can stretch it and say ɛyɛ merɛ saa. And the other one you can still say ɛyɛ fo saa, because when you say fo means easy. Just as when you say merɛ, when we say something is merɛ, that means that thing is also not difficult. The 7th question is, I am really trying. You will say it in Twi, Merebɔ me ho mmɔden biara. Literally, when you say Merebɔ me ho mmɔden biara, meaning that I am trying my best or I am working hard towards it. So when you say I am trying in Twi, you will say Merebɔ me ho mmɔden biara. Everyone will know that you are trying in whatever thing that you are doing. You are really trying. You can still also say merɛ nie metumi biara. In Twi, when you say merɛ nie metumi biara, it means I'm doing whatever I can. Of which, and if you say I am doing whatever I can, it also means that I am really trying. Thank you very much. I hope the answers were very helpful.
Mark, thanks again. They were really, really helpful. Kwasiada, thanks again for sending through your video. I hope these translations were actually good for you. Guys, that's about it for this week's lesson. I just want to say thank you to all of you for your continuous support. Thank you to the new subscribers that actually went through, checked the content, enjoyed it enough to actually subscribe. My old subscribers, you guys are awesome as usual. Guys, as I say, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So guys, if you can, please do spread the word. Let anyone who wants to learn Twi or find out what Twi is about come to this channel, right? Hopefully they'll go through the channel, they'll actually like the content of the channel, and they'll actually subscribe to the channel. And guys, remember, if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications, right? And please do get the Twi Junior Pro app on Google Store. It's less than $1. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. And about the coronavirus, guys, it's not about you, it's about the next person. So please do take care of yourself so other people will be safe as well. Guys, from me and Mark, with lots of love, see you next week. Bye.